Today I'm going to show you how to create a presentation without AI using Gamma, step by step, so you can start with a blank canvas and build your slides exactly the way you want. This is perfect if you want full creative control, a clean layout, and a presentation that feels custom from the ground up. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Now let's jump in. First, log into Gamma using your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is where Gamma keeps all of your projects, so take a second to get familiar with the layout if it's your first time using it. From the dashboard, look for the option that says New Gamma. Click that to begin creating a fresh project. Gamma will now show you a variety of creation options, and this is where you can choose what kind of content you want to make. You'll also see different aspect ratios, which is important depending on how you want your presentation to look. If you're making a standard presentation, choose the format that best fits a slide deck. If you want something more document style, you can select that instead. The main goal here is to pick the setup that matches your project before you start building. This makes sure your layout is ready from the beginning. Once you select the option you want, Gamma will open a blank presentation or a blank document. And this is where the real flexibility starts. Since you're not relying on AI to generate the content for you, you have full freedom to design each section manually and add whatever content you want. You can type in your own headings, add your own bullet points, insert images, adjust formatting, and structure the presentation exactly how you like. This is ideal if you already know your topic and just want a simple way to organize and present your ideas without automatic generation. Take your time to build each page or slide in a way that matches your message. You can keep it minimal, make it visual, or turn it into a detailed professional presentation. The benefit of starting this way is that you stay in complete control of the final result. If you want, you can also go back and revise the layout as you build, which makes it easy to experiment with different styles until everything looks right. That's one of the reasons Gamma is so useful, even when you're not using AI at all. And that's it. You now know how to create a presentation without AI in Gamma. You just log in, choose New Gamma, select the format and aspect ratio you want, and start with a blank presentation or document that you can fully customize. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.